Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi camera. In this video I'll show you how to turn camera on off when you leave home. In order to set up this function, we have to manage automation. First let's go to Xiaomi Home app and go to settings. Now enter automation. Tap plus and select automation. Now add trigger condition. Smart home devices and select device. In this case, you have to select turn on or off, select your camera and confirm. Now select status condition . Adjust time period. For example, 9 AM. End period 4 PM. Repeat every day. Confirm. And adjust the device too. Select create, accept, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.